I think we're in the historic center right now, the main square of Mexico City. Everywhere you look, it's stunning. And right in the middle, there's a massive flagpole. Look at that. The flag is absolutely enormous. We're spending the next 10 days exploring Mexico City, traveling around, visiting amazing places, and teaching you English along the way. Watch until the end to experience the city with us and learn English at the same time. Let's go. First things first, we have to get breakfast. I ordered some tacos and they're delicious. I never knew you could eat tacos for breakfast, but I guess in Mexico you can. Now I'm grabbing a hot chocolate and some fresh bread to finish the meal. Try it. I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do, but dipping this concha thing inside my hot chocolate is like... We're inside the ruins, I think, of the most important temple here in Mexico during the Incas, Mayans. This looks like, honestly, like volcanic rock they made this out of. And you can see all the different levels here, like all the different steps in all the different phases. It's very interesting. There are 4 arrows, 1, 2, 3, 4, pointing towards the center. Now I'm standing in the center. So we're now in the museum. A museum is a place where you can see and learn about art, history, or science. You can see a lot of artifacts on display in the museum. Things like ancient tools, artwork, and historical objects. You can't touch them, of course. That's why they're kept safe inside glass cases. Okay, we've just left the museum and now we're walking to a market. Here you can see the outside of the market. The vendors are selling clothes and colorful textiles. We've just entered the market. I'm not sure exactly what kind of market it is, but I think it's some sort of wholesale market for candy. All around us you can see candy being sold in bulk. That means in large quantities, not just 1 or 2 pieces.
Now, where are we right now?
Still at the same market. Finally, we found the food. Honestly, this market is huge and it's very easy to get lost. But we just followed the smell of food and it led us right here to some amazing tacos. This was the nicest fruit and vegetable market I've been to. All the fruits are stacked up so neatly and symmetrically. That means each side looks the same in shape and arrangement. ¿Y este? Give that a little try. That's like a good iced tea.
It's like the lemonade I make. Yeah, it looks like it.
Okay, so we're in the subway station right now. So I've never been in a subway station here in Mexico City yet, but me and Leon are walking down the stairs now. We're now in the subway car. This is the part of the train where people sit or stand as it moves through the city. This subway is a little unusual. It has rubber tires instead of running on the normal metal rails. Okay, so it's nighttime right now. This is where we were earlier in the day, like the big cathedral. You can take pictures with Pennywise over there. But this is what we're looking for. We're looking for some food. Ain't that right? With the burritos. Okay, I don't even know.
I wanted tamales so bad.
Yeah, I don't even know what I got. I just got a tamale. This is like sweet. I'm not really sure what's inside. I probably won't get it again. I think I ordered the wrong thing.
You asked for sweet?
I know, because I wanted a sweet one. Because the sweet one...
I never even had a good sweet tamale.
All the time. Oh, you're right. Okay, so I thought this was omita, but it's a tamale. So I ordered the wrong thing, but it's fine. I probably won't get it again, though. That's a garbage truck with all like the cardboard on the top. Okay, good morning, guys. We are going to a market, right? We're going to a market, San Juan, I think, to try more food, because that's like my favorite thing to do, try food in a market. But let's go there. Quick question. How many of you want to learn English but feel like you just don't have the time. Between school, work, and life, it's easy for your study plans to get pushed aside. That's why I've started using today's sponsor, AkiFlow. It's a productivity app that actually helps you make time for things that matter. My favorite feature is time blocking. I can drag my tasks, even studying, into my calendar. It's simple, it's visual, and it guarantees I'll actually set aside time to study instead of just hoping I'll remember. What I like is that it keeps me realistic. If I've only got an hour free, I block it for focused study. If I'm busier, I could still schedule short 30-minute sessions so I don't lose momentum. Even when I'm traveling here in Mexico, I'll block a little time in the morning before heading out, and once it's on my calendar, it gets done. And the best part is, all those tasks I'm scheduling don't just appear from nowhere. AkiFlow has a universal inbox that pulls in everything. Emails, Notion checklists, and my to-do-list all into one place. No more bouncing between 10 different apps or forgetting where something was saved. On top of that, the AI co-pilot learns my habits and suggests the best times to study or finish tasks. It's like having a personal assistant making sure my day actually works. They even give you a free one-on-one onboarding call to help you get set up. Click the link in the description to try AkiFlow for free today.
Oh, it's ripping. Holy, look at the gators. Look at these dried shrimp. Yeah, it's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Look at all these bugs, though. Hey, maybe go down there a bit. Shit, that's good.
But it's fire. Just freshly squeezed orange juice. I think it's the most sold thing here.
Now, what did you get? See.
Just got a taco. Apparently this is really spicy.
Good? Spicy?
Spicy.
Picante?
This is definitely the spiciest one I had. That lady was not lying.
Gracias. Is it good? When she said strawberries, I knew that shit was gonna be gas.
It's the one I wanted to try yesterday. Horchata with strawberries.
It's not that sweet, which is good. I think pastora's been my favorite. You? Because they put that little bit of pineapple in there, it makes it so good.
This is five for 75.
Let's go in, dog.
We are now inside a mini Akihabara. Akihabara is a famous neighborhood in Japan known for anime, manga, and gaming culture. But this one is in Mexico City. If you guys know, you know this anime. I like that show. I remember watching it a lot when I was younger. Palace of Fine Arts.
Oh, yeah.
What do you flan? Oh, they definitely got flan. I did not know it was spicy mango when I bought it. There is a sea of people ahead of me. That means there are so many people, it looks like an ocean of heads. I think this would be good. It looks like a ginger snap. We kind of came in here to get some food, but it's kind of like almost 9 p.m., so I think everything's kind of like dead in here. So we're gonna come back tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow in the morning and get a nice little snack to eat. Because there it was, you saw inside, it was like all empty and all dead. But so good, man. So today I feel like I've died. I got food poisoning from something I ate yesterday, and to make it even worse, I drank 2 liters of horchata yesterday, and I'm lactose intolerant. So my stomach has really been fighting hard.
Yo, how are you feeling?
Better. That food poisoning is no joke.
Alright, what are we doing?
Okay, so we just got on this double-decker bus. So usually this is just called a hop-on, hop-off bus because you hop on it and then it brings you to all the major touristic sites. So if you wanted to, you could hop off here, check out this museum, and then hop back on the bus for the same price because you have this wristband. So this is one of the best things, and I recommend doing it if you ever go to a city and you want to see all the touristic sites. but you don't want to like take public transport or a taxi, you could get a bus ticket for one of these buses and it brings you to every place and it explains it all. So finally we're at the bakery. This is one of the most popular bakeries in Mexico City and they're always baking fresh pastries. Okay, so that lady wrapped this up so nicely for us. She was like ripping this string off like it was butter. Like honestly, that was pretty cool. But we got hella pastries in here. Right now we're gonna go get a hot chocolate to dip some of these pastries in and we're gonna eat that. So let's go find a hot chocolate. Someone's selling hot chocolate on the side of the street. So we decided to eat at a buffet since it looked really good. I don't usually go to buffets because I always eat too much and then my stomach hurts. This library is really beautiful. Like look at this. Look at that view. That is crazy. It's one of the nicest libraries I've ever been to.
Where are we at right now?
Six Flags.
Check
Kinda
it
hot
out. Yeah, kind of a rookie mistake putting a sweater.
Okay, we're at Six Flags and we're gonna go hit rides. Let's go.
Oh, and there's some events going on today. We could check that out too. I know. Holy shit. Yeah. I think we went the wrong way. It might have been the other side. This has got to be it. Dude, this thing goes upside down. What the heck?
Dude, there's literally no one. This is a roller coaster and there's no one in line. There's a park in Korea called Everland Amusement Park, and it has like this exact same ride. It looks really similar. But you see there's no one in line. Like we've just been walking and no one's been in line.
Los visitantes que suben. Muy bien, quiero ver todos con las manos arriba y ese fuerte grito.
We're about to hit this one, and then we're gonna go hit that one that swings back and forth. Alright, I'm gonna go and hit this ride. It's light work. He's too scared.
Oh shit, bro. Oh shit. Dude, I actually felt that. Blast. What do you think of that? Alright, how was Six Flags?
Pretty good. I hit every single big ride. I didn't hit the kid rides, obviously, but all the big rides, they're good. They're good.
You hit that one?
There was no line. That was the first one I hit.
What's that one called?
Medusa.
I think that was Superman.
Medusa. Oh, now we're going. Okay, we are in Chapultepec.
Is that right?
Is that what it's called? Chapultepec? Dude, this mango is good. There's like a castle over here. And I think this is the biggest park in Mexico City. And we're gonna go see a castle because apparently there's a castle here, but this park's super nice. This mango is good. This castle sits on top of Chapultepec Hill, which is about 2,300 meters above sea level, and it also gives you a panoramic view of Mexico City. This is armor. It was very common for knights and soldiers to wear it. This is a carriage. So this castle is the only castle in North America where monarchs actually lived. So it's the only castle in North America where a royal family lived. So we're enjoying our last meal in Mexico before leaving, and of course it has to be street food. But this time, hopefully I don't get food poisoning. Let's go outside. Oh, how are you doing? 2 dogs. 3 actually. 2 white ones. Ah! But this is the backyard. The backyard. Ain't that right, guys? Ain't that right? Oh! That flag is enormous. So we're now in the museum. We've just entered the market sold in bulk and symmetrically. Okay, so we're in the subway station right now. We're now in the subway car. That's a garbage truck with all like the cardboard on the top. Apparently this is really spicy. There is a sea of people ahead of me. I got food poisoning from something I ate yesterday. Because you have this wristband? So finally we're at the bakery. So we decided to eat at a buffet since it looked really good. This library is really beautiful. Like, this is a roller coaster and there's no one in line. This is armor. This is a carriage where monarchs actually lived. But this is the backyard. Thank you guys for watching. As you can see, I'm back in Canada. Make sure to subscribe because my next video will be here in Canada. Also make sure to follow my personal Instagram if you guys want to see more videos. And if you want to support me and the channel, check out my YouTube memberships. And make sure to tell me in the comments where you're from, what country. I'll see you guys in the next video in Canada. Bye.